Nitro coffee. Creamy, smooth, irresistible. Still annoyed by the nitrogen cartridges? Because they're not always available. Wait, now there's a better way to enjoy nitro drinks. EverNitro, the first multifunctional pure nitrogen beverage machine created by Brew. Fast and easy to use. Just pour in your drink, twist it tight, and connect. Press just 2 buttons to adjust the pressure you want. Filters remove impurities, while the molecular sieve system refines nitrogen to 95% purity. Getting highly purified by PSA technology through changing pressure. Everything you need in one machine. EverNitro delivers a coffee shop taste at home. Pure nitrogen, every single time as the same. Unleash your creativity, just the pressure, and make your own signature drinks. No more fizzy drinks and choose a healthier lifestyle. Now start a brand new taste experience. EverNitro isn't just a machine. It has so much more to offer. Compact and space-saving. High concentration nitrogen helps to get the best ever nitro drinks. Come and explore more. Back yours on Kickstarter.